spring onions, deli ham, 6 eggs. So I cut the spring onion, separating the white parts and the green parts. Also, the ham are cut into small cubes. Spring onions goes in, the ham, give it a stir. Add the green onions, stir again. Alright, the beaten eggs, I'm going to add these into the ham. Alright, now I'm going to add the eggs and cook. Spread all over. Mix. Just sprinkle some black pepper here, and cayenne pepper. No salt because the ham has salt. So there again, it will be ready in few minutes. Now it's ready! Ham and egg for breakfast. Ladies and gentlemen, my ham and egg for breakfast. Delicious!